Hello, first graders. Today we are going to talk about the R sound. This is the star sound spelling card. The sounds at the end of the word star are R. Listen, star. When the vowel A is followed by an R, the sound changes. Together, A and R stand for R. Say the sounds with me. R. I'll say R as I write the letters A and R several times. Please say them with me. R. 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 Now we will build and blend words that have the R sound. Our first word is spelled F-A-R-M. Please listen as I sound out this word. This is the letter F. It stands for F. These are the letters A and R. Together they stand for R. This is the letter M. It stands for M. Listen as I blend these sounds together. F, R, M. The word is farm. I will continue to build the words, and I would like for you now to blend them, the letters, with me. This word is spelled Y-A-R-D. Let's blend those sounds together. Y-R-D. Yard. Nice job, class. This next one, I will pause and let you sound it out on your own after we say each sound together. L-R-J. The word is large. The E at the end is silent. Our next word is spelled A-R-M. Let's sound it out. R-M. You're right, the word is arm. Our last word is spelled S-T-A-R-T. Let's sound it out. S-T-R-T. The word is start. It's your turn now, first graders. In your packet, complete the phonics practice activity.